pipe, this was always a problem. It was that crap that they'd put on top. It's making the water run under there. Rotted all the door. I think it was coming in the room. There was a piece of board here that was rotting. And this door wasn't working because the handle had broke. So they got a quote for something stupid like 1,500 quid to replace this door. So put a new handle on, adjusted the mechanism a little bit because the door's dropped a bit. Now it works fine. I've taken that crap off. There's a bit of damage around there, but the rest of it looks in good shape. And it's sloping away, so water should go in. There's a bit of a lip here, but that lip is lower than this lip. So as long as the drain's kept clear, I'm going to do a bit of pointing around there, I think. Dig these holes out a little bit. And there's an old lead pipe that needs to come out and get pointed up. But for an hour's work, the price of a pair of handles, that's good. You just need to scrape this. This is silicone, old silicone somebody's put on. You don't need it on here, because that is your sill. That is sat on top of there. So you don't need to point that. So all that can get scraped out. And all I've got to do is seal up along there. Could do with drying out a bit now. Maybe seal along the front edge here. This frame is sat on that. Don't know if you can see. It's got a lip on this edge and the frame sits on it. These doors aren't designed to be totally waterproof, or they're not totally waterproof, let's put it that way. And they've got holes here, so any water that's getting in past the seal gets in there, flows in there and comes out onto your sill, comes out the bottom here. So sealing that up will actually direct water along and then out of here. There's that. And I've just noticed I've done the same to the window here. Inside the glass there, where the glass sits in, there'll be holes again. So any water getting past these seals goes in, travels inside, and then comes out your sill. So I'm going to have to scrape that off as well. It'll be the same on this top window. Any water getting past these cells goes down these holes. Goes down these holes. And get back to putting skirting on. Got a door to go in that frame that I've just put in. And then I've got some cupboards to build along here. this little saw, the dust extraction isn't perfect. See, there's some on the floor there, but it's not that bad. You can see by the downlighters, it's not that much in the air. It doesn't throw it everywhere. The majority of it's just around here. Right, I'm going to skim this. I ordered this the other day where the plumber had chopped in. Still joints up here, but we don't care about that now anymore. All I can say is scrapes it down, removed any lumps, any old raw plugs, anything that sticks out. And then on this edge, just gone over it with the little surf foam, just to chamfer that edge a little bit, try it so I can blend it in. When you got a sharp edge, sometimes it can show through a little bit. But on that edge, I'll put some scrim tape down, so in the later dates, so later on that crack don't start showing through. This sort of binds the two together. So I'll cover this. There's going to be a cupboard down here, so the off tap will be behind there. What I'll do is water down PVA over everything. That seals the dryness, that seals the wall. It also removes some of the grease. I think the acetone in it, polyvinyl acetate, so the acetate in it helps remove a little bit of the grease, but it also gives you a little bit more time to work with the plaster because it's wet the wall. Right, for whatever reason I couldn't get that scrim tape to stick, so I've just stuck it on with a bit of this. So I've stuck it on with a bit of plaster. There's tape behind there, just see it, look. Just use a bit of scrim. Right, I'll leave that to set up a little bit, let it harden a little bit, then I can skim it all. I forgot to say, before I put the PVA on here, I gave it a sand with some 40 grit, just to key the surface a little bit, get rid of any bits, clean my tools out, come back to that in 10-20 minutes or so, see how it goes. It's quite warm in here, so we'll see. Well, now all the skirting's on, I'm going to go make this door. It's going to be very similar to this one.